In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to Apple TV. So let's get started. Now, this is very easy to do, and I'm gonna go over the best and simplest method. So first of all, you have to make sure that both your Apple TV and iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now, once you've made sure that they are connected to the same Wi-Fi, then on your iPad, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go swipe up and go over to the screen mirroring option. Now here you have to go ahead and select your Apple TV. Okay, and now if a code appears on the TV, just enter it on your iPad, because sometimes when you click on your TV it does an extra confirmation. So whatever code you see on your TV, just go ahead and enter it on your iPad, and hooray, your iPad screen is now mirrored on Apple TV. Now, let's say you wanna AirPlay videos only, then you don't need to full screen mirror basically. So let's say you're watching Netflix, you're watching YouTube or something, then you can, let's say I'm on YouTube and I'm watching this video right here and I want to watch it on a bigger screen. What I can do is I can just open the video on my iPad, go ahead and click on this option, and here I can just select my Apple TV, and this video is gonna go as it is on the TV, and there you go, you can watch it on a bigger screen. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.